How to disable two-factor authentication on Unocoin. Are you facing issues to disable 2FA in Unocoin application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To disable two-factor authentication on Unocoin, open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, tap on the profile icon or go to the menu section in the top right corner. From there, select Settings, then go to Security. On the two-factor authentication section, you will see the option to disable 2FA. Tap on it. You will be asked to enter a current 6-digit code from your authenticator app, like Google Authenticator. Open the app, get the code, enter it, and tap Confirm. Your 2FA will be now turned off. Only do this if you are sure your account is safe and secure without extra layer. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to disable two-factor authenticator on Unocoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.